Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your Honda Odyssey. First, insert the key or press the start button to power on the engine. Next, adjust your driver's seat and side mirrors to ensure a clear view of your surroundings. Take a moment to observe the dashboard, noting the fuel gauge and speedometer. Finally, shift the gear selector into drive to begin your journey. Your Odyssey offers several features to enhance your driving experience and safety. On highways, activate adaptive cruise control to maintain a set speed and distance from vehicles ahead. The lane keeping assist system helps gently steer you within your lane. Pay attention to the blind spot information system, which alerts you to vehicles in your blind spots. When parking, the multi-angle rearview camera provides clear views. The Honda Odyssey is designed for convenience and comfort. Easily open and close the power sliding doors and tailgate with a button press. Adjust the tri-zone climate control to keep all passengers comfortable. Connect your smartphone to the infotainment system for navigation and entertainment. For quick cleanups, the integrated Honda VAC makes tidying up spills and crumbs simple and efficient. To ensure your Honda Odyssey runs smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Check your tire pressure monthly to maintain optimal safety and fuel efficiency. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended schedule for oil changes. Regularly monitor essential fluid levels, such as brake fluid and windshield washer fluid. Always keep your owner's manual handy for detailed information and troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.